Hi, I'm Frank. I'm a product manager with IRWIN. I'm here today to show you how to maintenance your IRWIN Quick-Lift Construction Jack. It's always important to take care of the tools that assist you with your work each day, which is why, first and foremost, you will always want to store this product in a dry, secure place where it cannot be damaged when it is not in use. This product requires lubrication regularly for optimal lifting performance. However, excessive lubrication can cause loss of friction when under load. This could result in serious personal injury and/or property damage. Make sure to use a high-quality, multi-purpose mineral oil for proper lubrication. Never use motor oil, waste oil, or very thick oils. These can damage your IRWIN Quick-Lift Construction Jack. First, you'll want to apply a few drops of the oil to a rag and apply to the top and bottom of the bar. Then apply a few drops to the exposed tabs on the front of the jack's body. You can spread the oil by holding the no-load quick release in its engaged position and sliding the jack's body up and down the bar. With a clean rag, you can then wipe away any excess oil from the bar and jack's body itself. For more information, refer to your product manual or visit us at irwintools.com.